Hello, hello, Sok. Good evening.
Stop.
Hi, good evening. Oh, Amy. I'm sorry. Hi, Amy. Good evening. Mm. Can you hear me well? Can you hear me?
Yeah,
Very good. Wow. So, how are you today, Amy?
happy.
Oh, that's great because you feel happy today. What did you have for dinner?
Huh?
What did you have for dinner?
I have chicken.
Oh, you had chicken. Was it fried chicken?
Yes.
Oh,
Fried
that's so
chicken, not hot
yummy.
dog.
Wow, that's great, Amy. Okay, so for today, we are now in Unit 11. I want you to look at the picture, Amy. What can you see?
I can see a monkey.
That's right. Okay, what color is the monkey?
The monkey is round.
That's correct. Okay, now what does uh the monkey say?
The monkey say, "Hoo-hoo."
Wow, that's funny. But you are also right. Okay, do you like a monkey? Do you
Yes.
like Wow, that's great because you like a monkey. What does the monkey eat?
He eats, banana.
That's right. Very good. Okay, so this story is all about how the monkey feel. Okay, by just looking at the picture, the monkey's taking a shower. Okay, so how does it feel when it takes a shower?
He feel happy.
That's right. Do you feel happy when you take a shower?
Yeah.
Wow, very good. Okay, now let's look at this one. Okay, what can you see in this picture?
I can see a monkey
Okay, now look at the monkey's hand. What is it holding?
holding he holding a rocks.
That's right, it's holding a small rock. Okay, I want you to imagine yourself holding a rock. Okay, is it soft?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I'm
Does the
sure.
rock feel soft or hard?
Oh.
That's right. Now the monkey's asking you, how does it feel? This feels. Okay, look, the monkey touched the rock. How does the rock feel?
The rock feel
This
happy.
feels.
This feel happy.
Does the rock have some emotion?
Yes.
Okay, the rock is not a living thing. When we say living thing, that means a thing that has a life. It needs air, it needs water, it can talk, it can move on its own. But a rock is not a living thing. It cannot move on its own. It cannot smile. It cannot cry. It can't even make a happy face. Okay, so look, the monkey touches the rock. Then the monkey says, this feels so hard. Okay, so if you touch the rock, it is so hard. Now I want you to touch the wall. Okay, touch your wall. Is it wall? Do you know what a wall is? Like this, oh, like this one. Like the four corner of your bedroom wall. This
Yeah.
one. Okay. Or
And
touch
another
your table. I want you to touch your table. Touch it. Touch it.
right? Teacher, look.
Touch your table.
Teacher, look. Wait.
Yes. Yes. There you go. Very good. Now, is it hard? Yes or no?
Oh.
Yes, it is hard. So when we say hard, Amy, it is not soft. Okay, so let me translate what hard means in Vietnamese.
Teacher,
So this is
this is
how it
not hard.
is.
This is not hard. It's a hard.
Yes, that is soft. Okay, now this is what hard is. Listen.
cứng
Kung.
Cứng.
cứng
Yeah, okay. The rock is hard.
No. Yeah.
tảng đá cứng
Okay, the rock is hard. Now, what other things are hard? Okay, just like the floor. The floor is hard. What else? The wall
Um,
is hard.
the heat is hot.
Yes, that's right. That is hard. But if you're going to throw it, it will break. Okay, now look at this one, Amy. Okay, so look at the monkey. What animal is the monkey holding?
The cat.
Okay, say the monkey is holding a cat.
The monkey is holding the cat.
Very good. Do you like a cat, Amy?
Yes.
Wow, that's amazing. What does the cat say?
The cat said, meow.
That's right. And what does it eat?
He eat mouse and fish.
Does it eat mouse? I don't think so. Oh,
Yes, it mouse.
actually, they do not eat mouse. They just play with it until the mouse will die. Yes, the cat do not eat, I mean, a cat doesn't eat mouse. Okay, they just like to chase the mouse, play with it until the mouse will be dead. Yes, but they do not eat it. Okay, a cat is very friendly. It can be a pet. And where can we see a cat? Can we see a cat in the zoo or at home?
A home.
That's right. Do you have a pet cat, Amy?
Hmm?
Do you have a pet cat? Wow, what's the name of your pet cat?
So, my pet
Mm-hmm.
is here, but my pet is sleeping.
Oh, wow, because it's already at night. So good night, little cat. What's the name of your cat?
My name is my cat is Pen.
Is it a girl or a boy?
Girl.
A girl. Okay. So yes, if you're going to touch your cat, okay, you try to imagine that you are touching Bam. Okay, if you touch Bam, how do you feel? Does it feel soft, hard, or what?
What? What?
What?
What?
No, like, okay, look, the monkey is holding the cat. So like that. Okay, now, how does the monkey feel about the cat?
Want you feel happy?
That's right. But how does the cat feel? If you're going to
Cat
touch it, it feel,
feel happy.
you say it feels soft. Soft.
Stop.
Very good. Okay, so here, listen. Soft is the opposite of hard. So if you're going to touch a cat, Okay, you feel it that it is so soft because of its fur.
Mềm là từ trái nghĩa với cứng, vì vậy nếu bạn chạm vào một con mèo, bạn sẽ cảm thấy nó rất mềm vì bộ lông của nó.
Oh, no, 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 no. Wrong, wrong, wrong. If
No.
you're going to touch a cat,
Mềm là từ trái nghĩa với cứng, vì vậy nếu bạn chạm vào một con mèo, bạn sẽ cảm thấy nó rất mềm mại vì bộ lông của nó.
yes. So if you touch it, it is very soft. Now, a rock is hard, so it's not soft. Now, I want you to touch your hair, Amy. Touch your hair. Touch your hair. Is it soft or hard? I can't hear you. Is it soft or hard? I cannot hear you. I'm sorry.
Oh.
Oh, can you hear me? Yes. Okay. Now I want you to touch your hair. Touch your hair. Is it soft or hard?
Soft.
It's soft. Nice. Now I want you to touch your chair. Touch your chair like this. Touch it. Is it soft or hard?
Soft. Soft like
Soft.
this.
That's right.
Soft like this.
Okay. Oh, wow, you're so strong. Don't carry it. It's heavy. Okay, now, Amy, listen to teacher. Look at your t-shirt. Okay, touch your t-shirt. Oh, wow, you look so beautiful there. Congratulations, you've graduated. Okay, well, congratulations, Amy. Keep up the good work. Okay, so Amy, look, I want you to touch your t-shirt. Touch your t-shirt. Touch it. Is it soft or hard?
Soft.
Soft. Very good. Now I want you to touch your computer. Is it soft or hard?
It's soft.
It's hard. It's not soft. It's hard. Now I want you to touch your forehead. This one. Is it soft or hard? This one, touch it. Soft or hard? It's hard. Okay, now look at this one. I will touch it. Is it soft or hard? Look, I will touch this one. Is it
Soft.
soft or
Soft.
hard? It's hard. It's hard. Look, oh, it's so hard. It will even break my hand. Now, I want you to look at this. Yes, Amy? What is that? Okay, now touch it. Is it soft or hard?
Hot.
It's hard. That's right. Very good. Now, I want you to touch your pillow. Do you have a pillow? Do you have a pillow? Get a pillow.
Oh.
Now, I'll get a pillow. You try to touch the pillow. Is it soft or hard?
Wait.
Okay, I'll give you 3 seconds. 1, 2, there you go. Is it soft or hard? That's right. Very good. So now you know what is soft and hard. Okay? Okay, all right. Now,
Big.
look at this one.
Hot. Soft.
Is it soft? No,
It's
very good.
soft.
Huh? Are you sure? Now touch
It's soft.
again. Touch it. Touch it. Is it hard or soft?
Soft.
That is hard. Hard. Okay, now listen carefully. That little fan is hard. It's not fluffy, so it is not soft. Don't be confused between hard and soft. Okay?
Cái quạt nhỏ đó cứng chứ không phải mềm nên không mềm, đừng nhầm lẫn giữa cứng và mềm nhé.
All right. So that is hard. Hard. Okay, now Look at this one. I will show you something, Amy. Wait a minute.
Um,
Okay, look at this one. All right, Amy, look at this. I will touch it. Is it soft or hard?
Soft.
Very good. Now I will touch my phone. Is it soft or hard?
soft.
Are you sure? Okay, it's hard. Hard. It's hard. Okay, now I want you to touch your table. Touch your table. Is it soft
It's
or hard?
hard.
That is hard. That's hard. Okay. Now, I want you to touch your table. Touch your table, Amy. Is it soft or
Okay.
hard? Table.
And what's hard?
Soft or hard? Soft or hard? Touch
It's
it. Is it
hard.
hard? That's right. Very good. Okay, now look, you say dry. Dry. You say
It's
dry.
dry.
Very good. Now, when we say
Dry.
dry, that means it's not wet. There's no presence of any water in it. Now, look at this one. What do you see in the picture, Amy? Look, what can you see?
It's a monkey.
Yes, of course, because it's the monkey story. Okay, what is the monkey's play? What is the monkeys doing here?
The monkey play the tree.
Is it playing on the tree? There's no tree in it. Look, what is this, Amy? This is what you can see when you go to the beach. You step on it, you walk in it, and sometimes we build sand castle with it. What is this?
It's hot or soft?
Okay, this is sand. You say sand.
Sand.
Very good. S-A-N-D. That's what the sand is. So when you go to the beach, you can see white sand. Okay, do you like playing on the sand, Amy? Yes or no? Oh, I can't hear you, Amy. Can you hear me? Hello, Amy. I can't hear you. Can you hear me? Yes or no? Oh, I can't hear you. I'm gonna tell your mom that you're not listening. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hold on. Oh, there
No.
you are. There you are. Okay. Now look, do you like playing on the sand?
Hear me? Are
Of
you hear me?
course, yeah. Yes, I can hear you.
I can hear you.
Can you hear me? Yes or no?
No.
Are you sure?
Sure.
Why is that? But why is it that I can actually hear my self here? Mic check, mic check, mic check, mic check.
It's you
Yeah,
here.
everything's working well. Anyway, Amy, okay, do you like playing on the
You
sand?
here. Teacher, this seat help you here.
What's that?
It's a hummock.
Oh, yes, that's what we call an ice bag. You put ice in it, and if you feel sore, you can actually put ice on the part of your body that's being sore. Yes. Then, if you
Wait
are
for me
sick,
a second.
you can put it on your forehead. with ice in it?
Oh,
Are you ready?
okay.
Are you ready? All right. Now, look, Amy, this is what a sand is. We can actually see it when we go to the beach. Do you like going to the beach?
I can see.
Yes or no?
I don't see.
Do you like to go to the beach?
I don't see a picture.
What?
Oh no.
Okay,
Oh,
look. Can you see the picture? Yes or no?
yes, but it's not cupping.
What? It's not?
Physical.
Okay, now look at this one, Amy. So we can actually play on the sand. We can build sand castle. We can also dig a hole and put some shells in it like that. Okay. So look, when we say dry, that means it's not wet. Now I want you to touch your hair. Is it dry or wet?
Right.
It's dry. Very good. How about when you take a shower? Is it still dry? Yes or no?
No.
Not anymore because there's water in it. Okay, so dry means no water. Okay, now look at the monkey. How does the monkey feel about the sand? So, what did the monkey say? The monkey said, "This feels so dry."
It feels so right.
That's right. Very good. So, do you like playing on the sand when it's dry? Or do you like playing when it's wet?
Dinosaur at the beach or what?
Oh, wait a minute. Do you like playing on the sand when it's dry or wet? Do you like playing on a dry sand? Yes or no?
No, no.
Ye- No. Oh, so you like playing on the wet sand. Me, I prefer the dry sand because it doesn't stick to my feet. Okay, now look. The monkey is doing something. Now look at the picture. What is the monkey playing with?
With the water.
That's right. So the monkey is playing with the water and he's taking a shower. So if there's a water, then we say wet. Okay, so when you play with the water, it feels so wet. Okay, now touch your t-shirt. Touch your t-shirt. Is it dry or wet?
Sure.
Oh, Amy, don't play with that one. Yeah, put it aside. Don't play with it because that's sharp. That's for the nails. No, don't do that. You might hurt your nail. Okay,
No,
put it
I
where you got it.
talk on I don't hurt. It's soft.
Yeah, yeah, but you have to be careful because that is sharp. Yes, you use the proper nail cutter. That's not a nail cutter. Okay. But just be careful with it. Anyway, I want you to touch your t-shirt. Is it wet or dry?
This is dry.
It's dry. Very good. Now, how about when you go to the sink? Okay, where we wash our dishes. Is it wet there or dry?
Wow.
That's right, it's wet. Very good, Amy. Okay, now look at the monkey. Is it having fun?
What?
Is the monkey having fun?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now look, what is the monkey doing now, Amy?
The monkey is flying.
Okay, say the monkey is climbing.
The
Can you
monkey
say
flying.
climbing? Very good.
Flying.
Now, what's the monkey climbing at? The monkey's
What?
climbing
What?
where is the monkey climbing?
Monkey climbing in the tree.
That's right. So if you touch the tree, does it feel soft? When you climb a tree, does it feel soft? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
No, it's not. Okay, so it doesn't feel soft. Now listen carefully, Amy. This is how it is. If you climb the tree and you touch the tree, it's not soft, it's rough. Rough means that the surface of the tree is uneven. So if you're going to touch the wall, there are some walls that are rough.
Nếu bạn trèo cây và chạm vào cây thì nó không mềm mà thô ráp. Thô ráp có nghĩa là bề mặt của cây không bằng phẳng, vì vậy nếu bạn chạm vào tường thì có một số bức tường thô ráp.
Okay? All right, Amy?
Wait for me a second, okay?
Oh no, I
Okay,
will
wait.
not wait for you. I will not wait. You go back because it's already time. What will you do? It's okay. We'll just have a review. So what did we learn today? We learned about the monkey. And what does the monkey feel? The monkey feels
You feel
when
happy.
the monkey touches the pillow, it feels soft. When the monkey touches the tree, it feels rough. How about when the monkey touches the rock? How does it feel? It feels hard. So we learned hard, soft, and rough. Okay? Oh, we also have dry and wet. So thank you so much for joining Amy and see you on Wednesday. Bye.